my gosh. Oh, a spider.
I'm the first face you'll see when you visit our office, and your freaking frack.
A little bit about me.
You can go whenever.
Well, that's all about me. Let's go ahead and... Sorry. Well, that's all about me. Sorry. Okay. Here. Howdy. Lost. They're trying to bring me the frisbee. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Okay. Oh wait, there's a person. Hello. We're filming! Well, that's enough about me, so I'm gonna go ahead. I graduated from Texas A&M in 2013 with Well, that's all about me. We can't wait to see you guys soon. Why are you laughing? The video's gonna... Okay, I'm ready now. The lighting is stressing me out. If I were to